Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the channel, and for today's vlog, I'm going to share with you and put the spotlight on a new sneaker shop that just opened in Uptown Mall in BGC, the 4th Taguig. So if you're in the area and if you're looking for a really nice hype sneaker store, this is the episode for you. Keep on watching. Let's go. This sneaker shop is actually Sole Republiq. They have several branches already, one in Katipunan, one in Taft, and this is their newest branch in Uptown Mall BGC. And upon entering it, you will immediately get a vibe for what this shop is all about, and that is really hype, hype, hype. First dropped by a couple of days ago. The first thing that I saw upon entering was a display of Travis Scott sneakers. So you have over here the Jordan 1 Travis Scott High, the Jordan 1 Travis Scott Low, the Travis Scott Air Force Ones, the Travis Scott Jordan 4s, and even of course the Travis Scott Dunks. Now the prices are pretty much market value, with the Dunks going for around 85,000. The different other Travis Scotts ranging anywhere from 40 to 55, depending on whichever pair it is that you are looking to get. Now on the display window, you have one of the most hyped and talked about sneakers for 2020. Of course, I'm talking about the Jordan 4 Manila. So if you haven't had the pleasure of looking at it and holding it and then seeing it up close, this is the shop where you can drop by to see the actual pair on display. Now just beside the Jordan 4 Manila, there is a display or a rack of Sakai's, the Nike Sakai collaborations, from the original colorways to the newest chunkier versions that released this year. Now for the prices of the Sakai's, they are selling the newer versions for around 30 to 32,000, while the older colorways anywhere from 30 to 40,000, depending on the size and the actual color. Opposite the display of Travis Scott's, there is a massive wall of Jordan 1 sneakers ranging from a variety of colors, from the classics such as the Chicagos to the Shadows, to the Royals, to the newer ones such as the Rookie of the Year, and the most recently released pairs of Jordan 1s. Now the prices are pretty much typical of what you would expect in our sneaker reseller shop. So if you are in the market for a Jordan 1 and you want to touch it, you want to feel it, you want to see it, this is where you can check them out. This was also the first time that I was able to see the Jordan 1 Bavin. So that one was one heck of a crazy shoe. The colors were just insane. So if you are looking for a sneaker that will turn heads, that will grab attention, that is the one to watch out for. The mochas were also there. The Jordan 1 Dark mochas, possibly one of the best Jordan 1 releases we've seen in a while. And speaking of Jordan 1 Dark mochas, I am doing my countdown to 2021 giveaway. So if you guys don't know, I'm giving away a Jordan 1 Dark Mocha, a bunch of gadgets, and even a new laptop. All you have to do is to watch all the previous episodes starting December 25. So there is a raffle announcement December 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Watch all of those videos. All of those videos announce a giveaway, and it actually says which giveaway will be drawn on what date. There are two draw dates, one on January 1 and one on January 15. So make sure that you guys catch up and try to join the giveaways. It's fun, it's free, it's all in the spirit of good fun. All the giveaway announcements will be linked in the description box as well as pinned in the comments. So just make sure that you guys click and watch and join. Now this shop is really complete because right across the Jordan 1, the opposite end of the Jordan 1 wall, you have like their Yeezy wall. And in the Yeezy wall, they pretty much have most of the colorways, if not the most popular colorways from the different models. I'm talking about the Yeezy 350, both V1s and V2s. We have a variety of 700s, both the V1, V2, and V3s. You have the 500s, both the highs and the lows. So whatever type of Yeezy it is that you are looking for, chances are you will be able to find it here. Again, they are for resale prices, so they are not retail. So you can expect to pick one up anywhere maybe from 16 to 22,000 for the 350s for the newer releases, and you should be able to get like probably the 700s to 500s at a maybe affordable price, a better price than that, because the 350s is obviously the most hyped pair from the Yeezy line. Now beside the Yeezy wall, there is another display of different sneakers from Nike. So this is where you have a variety of Air Force Ones, you have a couple of Kobe's, you have a few more Jordans, different types of Jordans, from Jordan 3s, Jordan 11s, to the latest Kobe sneakers, including the Bruce Lee black, red, and yellow. That one is super dope. I'm actually thinking of picking one up in my size 13. So if anybody's watching today who might have a size 13 that's willing to sell it for retail, or maybe slightly above retail, just DM me on Instagram and we can talk, and I could probably take it off your hands. On the Air Force One side, I saw the white version of the Peace -1 G-Dragon. I actually have the previous generation one, which I did a review on. I fully stripped that one to reveal the artwork the G-Dragon had inside, and I'm looking forward to getting my hands on the white version and probably do the same thing just for the heck of it. So again, variety of Nike sneakers just beside the Yeezy wall. And of course, no sneaker reseller shop would be complete if you don't have like a bunch of dunks, and they have it in abundance. From the Civilist to the Atmos ones, to the recently released ones, to the Dunk Jordan 1 ones, which I can't understand why it's a Dunk, but it looks like a Jordan 1. But anyway, my point is, pretty much any Dunk that you are probably looking for, especially recently released ones, should be sitting there. Now, the one final area, and this is probably like the major highlight of Sole Republiq and BGC, is their Grail wall. So there is a cordon off section with the green carpet and 2 Supreme Director's chairs, and you have a giant wall of their most prized sneakers. So these are like the Grail level pairs that can easily set you back hundreds of thousands of pesos. This obviously includes the Dior Jordan 1s. You have the Union Jordan 1s. You have the Jordan 4 Manila. You have the Chunky Dunkies. You have the Off-Whites, from the MCAs to the Vault Air Force 1s. You have, of course, the Jordan 1 Off-White. You have the Jordan 4 Off-White, the Civilist Dunks, which I mentioned earlier, and just most of the most expensive and rarest pairs you should be able to find there. Not all of them are for sale though, so you will have to ask if they have it in your size, and if they do, then if you have the money, then go for it, splurge. Now, obviously, it's kind of hard to go malling during this time with the pandemic, so if you want to buy from Sole Academy, you can just hit them up on their Instagram account. I'll link it down below, and you should be able to find a deal, or you should be able to talk to a sales representative and they can hook you up via IG. You'll probably just have to make a bank deposit. I don't know if they do COD, but that's an option. So if you can't go to the mall, but if you want to buy anything that I just showed you from them, hit them up on Instagram. And speaking of shopping at Sole Republiq, I have a surprise giveaway for you guys, and this is the last giveaway of our Countdown to 2021 series. The prize, it's a 5,000 peso gift certificate that you can use to buy from Sole Republiq over at their BGC shop. Mechanics, very simple. All you guys have to do is to follow me on Instagram, follow Sole Republiq on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and just comment down below which pair you like the most that I showed, what pair you would use the money to buy, include your IG handle. Same mechanics, guys. Don't use multiple accounts, just comment once. If you don't follow any of the mechanics, you get disqualified. Winner drawn January 15. And just to wrap up the giveaways, please remember that we have 2 draw dates. Make sure to watch the vlog on January 1, because I will be announcing the first batch of winners then. And then make sure to catch the vlog on January 15, because I'll be announcing the second batch of winners for the second batch of raffles there as well. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick video. I want to take this opportunity to wish every single one of you Happy New Year. I hope you all had you will all have an amazing, meaningful celebration tonight. Not as loud, not as crazy, not as social, because we are in the middle of a pandemic. But my prayer is for 2021 to be your year. A year of breakthroughs, a year of amazing opportunities, and a year of success for every single one of you watching the vlog today. With that said, this is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless. What's up? Happy New Year. Boom.